Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will show you on how you can go ahead and contact Tonkeeper Wallet customer support team. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you have to open up the Tonkeeper Wallet mobile application and you have to log in into your account. Once inside, you have to click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. And from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see the FAQ section, support, Tonkeeper News, contact us, and more. If you want to directly go through the support team, you can just go ahead and click on support right here, and then they will take you to their Telegram page. Now, if you want to contact them through their email, you can just go ahead and click on the contact us option. And in here, you can just go ahead and input your concern about Tonkeeper Wallet. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.